WPS exterior system products deliver higher standards and selection, beauty and performance. In fact, WPS exterior system offers the broadest selection of exterior solid phenolic products, styles and color to achieve full range of design options. No other company can match WPS exterior systems portfolio of products. With all our exterior system products, we offer freedom of choice for our customers to experiment with style, color and texture. The freedom to be creative, to mix and match and think beyond just four walls. Our customers will appreciate that we are providing them with the products and expertise to achieve their vision, no matter what your vision may be. Higher standards mean focusing our extensive industry experience to help you navigate the challenging construction market. We pledge to support you with educational, installation opportunities. Tools recommended are 1 7¼ power circular saw or skill saw, 1 power router 1/2 shank for 45° and curves, 1 power trimmer router 1/4 collets for ease edges, 1 10" sliding compound miter saw for cutting trims, 6" by 10 feet straight edge, 1 small self-leveling line laser, horizontal and vertical, 18-volt cordless impact driver, 18-volt cordless drill driver, 2 number of 8" wood suction cup for material handling, pair of sawhorse table. Set up cutting table or workstations in well-ventilated outdoor areas so that any generated dust is carried safely away from workers. If any area with adequate ventilation is not available, an IOSH-approved respirator should be used. To carry a large panel solo, a person should hold it on edge in the middle with arms spread apart for maximum support of the product. Lifting or carrying large panel or trim in a flat orientation may break or bend the product. WPS recommends that 2 people always carry panel products. Workers should hold the panel near each end and on edge. Because of reduced visibility when handling panel products, take extra care to avoid damaging the corners and edges of the panel as well as items and finishes around the work. When cleaning up dust and debris from cutting siding material, never use a broom or brush if the debris material is dry. Sweeping dry material may send dust particles into the worker's breathing area. Instead, wet down the debris with a fine mist to suppress dust during sweeping or use a vacuum. Waste pieces of phenolic siding material can be disposed of in normal waste containers. Upon arrival of your order, inventory and inspect each panel and all accessories. If there are any signs of damage, note the bill of lading for the time of delivery and document the damage. Failure to do so can make it difficult to file a freight claim. Send a list of damaged materials to WPS and contact your WPS representative for further instructions. It is crucial that damaged panels, accessories, or packaging be reported to WPS as soon as they are discovered. WPS panels should be transported using WPS standard pallets or crates. Baling bands are to be removed upon delivery. Lift the panels from each stack individually, taking care not to scratch or damage any adjacent panels when removing panels from the stack. Panels can be stored horizontally on a flat surface free of debris, or kept on pallets or crates with supports at 12 inches on center, or less. All horizontal surfaces, including panels and pallets, should be covered with a clean membrane or board to protect the panels from damage. Panels need to be stored in an area that is well covered from the elements, cool, ventilated, and dry. These products must be kept covered on a pallet off of the ground. Exterior Systems is designed to transfer wind loads to the supporting structure. The panels and their respective subframing are not designed to contribute to the structural stability of the building. Due to free-flowing air in the cavity behind the panels, Exterior System requires a complete weather-resistant barrier on any wall which it is installed. The integrity of the moisture barrier design can be verified by water testing the walls after the moisture barrier is installed and prior to the application of the rain screen panel system. Special attention should be taken at areas where the moisture barrier is interrupted. Interruptions include flashings, windows, doors, scuppers, electrical boxes, pipe penetrations, etc. Prior to installation, verify that the substrate is plumb and square. A system installed out of plumb will result in inconsistent grid lines and improper alignment at fenestrations and other architectural details. Panels installed on an inconsistent substrate will most likely need to be reinstalled. Begin installation by setting up the reference line. It is highly recommended to use a laser level for this procedure. After quality check the building substrate, begin installing the moisture barrier. Install the bottom edges of each wall. Install ES-801 at the bottom rail horizontally using reference benchmark by fastening to studs. The bottom edge of each panel will be jointed to fit onto the bottom rail. Install the vent screen ES-802 using proper fastening type to the building substrate. Install the horizontal joint ES-820 using proper fastening type to the building substrate. Install mid-wall rails ES-801 if your panel's height layout greater than 36 inches. Install top edge ES-801. GN-018 panel clip. GN-018 panel clip at fixing point. All panels material will be fabricated with panel clips installed on the back of each panels. Look for the panel label on the back of panel. Unwrap panel and install on horizontal rails. Fixing point clip will always be mounted on the top right corner on the back of each panel. Outside corner. Mitered outside corner. Inside corner. Before panel installation, ensure proper alignment of ES-801, ES-802, and ES-820. Install the first panel in a critical transition area like a corner. Fixing holes must be located not less than 3/4 inch and not more than 2 inches from the panel edges. It is essential to the installation process that the first panel be positioned correctly. After the first panel is installed, continue with adjacent panels in the same manner along the control line. Verify the panel's spacing often. WPS recommends using the proper sized shims between panel faces to ensure accurate spacing between panels. If panels are installed with incorrect spacing, they will likely need to be readjusted to align properly. Ensure the clearance is as shown while installing top panel. It is important to remove the protective film for each section of adjacent panels immediately after the installation is complete for that section. Extra attention is required in areas receiving a large amount of sunlight. Window head details. Window bottom details. At WPS, satisfied clients are our #1 priority. To best serve you, our full-time customer service department is available during business hours, and our hands-on ES-500 Systems Products Installation Advisor is on standby. This trusted advisor is ready to answer any questions, assist with any install, and provide instant support. Thank you for watching WPS ES-500 ventilated facade installation video and hope we contribute in your benefit. Please visit us at our website and see more systems installation video and products.